My name's Tom Horvath, and I am the owner of Clear Coat Solutions, CSI. We manufacture car care products, and one of the differences between us and everything else is one single product that does everything for color sanding and polishing of cars, and we guarantee the results. They're available all over the country through distribution. They're also available online. But we want to support the paint stores all over the country. All the other people that are here in the show are going to use 1,500 or 2,000, so we wanted to do something really extreme. 600 grit on an acrylic urethane paint job, taking out the scratches with one single product and then finishing it with a foam pad. So that's what we're going to do. This would be a hard demo for any compound to do. Very, very hard. And very dangerous for a normal paint, but this has a lot of paint on it. So this is the product. You apply the product to the pad. Switch to the foam pad. Everything's got a centering ring on it. Same exact product. The product is water-based, so the cleanup is very, very easy. When you touch it with water, it turns into soap and comes right off the surface. So cleanup is super, super easy. We make 5 basic products for the industry, and we say that's all you need. The motto is keep it simple. This is our product that takes the place of all compound and polish. Then we have a quick detailer. Works on every surface on the car, interior and exterior. We then have a water-based wax, can be applied in direct sun, comes off really easy. We have a non-slinging tire dressing that are every product we make is body shop safe. And for the show car stuff, if you wanted to enhance that finish to even better finish, we make a quick detail, a polish enhancer to bring up the finish to even better finish. But the finish is always perfect, and we guarantee those results every single time.